So what I've done is I've gone ahead over here and pulled a resource that talks about the importance of recess. I'm going to take some time to model for you how to dig into that resource and how to pull out relevant information. So, again, I have my checklist over here. I'm looking for information about more recess, why students are getting less, how it affects better grades and performance, and better behavior. So, when I look at this source that I found using one of my Boolean queries, I'm going to look at it, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the title and the subheadings. And the reason I'm going to do this is because it allows me to sort of skim the article and look at what each section is about to figure out where I should really read and which sections I might could skip or omit, right? So the title is The Importance of Recess. Obviously, that means that this article is really going to be digging into information about why recess matters. And when I look at this first subheading, it says the benefits of free and unstructured playtime. So when I see this word benefits, I'm going to clearly connect that with um, potentially better grades and performance or more recess, why more recess is necessary. Um, then I come here to this one about the appalling state of recess. Now, this word appalling gives me a little pause. It's one I haven't used in a while. So, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick check. I'm going to say definition of appalling because I want to make sure I'm fully understanding. Okay, so it says causing shock or dismay, horrific, very bad or awful. That pretty much goes with what I thought. So when I come back here, I'm going to read this as the awful or shocking or horrible state of recess. So this tells me that this might align with this idea of why students are getting less recess. And then I come to this subheading, leaving children behind. That really doesn't seem to have a clear correlation. So I'm really going to have to read this section closely to understand its full meaning and impact. And then it comes here to finding the balance. This seems like it might be a good strategy section, but again, I don't have necessarily a clear correlation. So I'm going to have to read really closely in that section.